Everybody, it's Rick coming to you. So you want to know how to be successful with affiliate marketing. Well, in this equipping session, in this training, I'm going to give you my experience. I'm going to give you my understanding. I'm going to give you the definition that you're probably never heard before. And I'm more than likely sure that I'm pretty much sure that you've never heard the definition that I'm about to give you. And there's a reason why I keep repeating and using the phrase definition. You should use the best, how to be successful with affiliate marketing is simple as this. It's the definition that serves you the most. It's the definition of affiliate marketing that empowers, that equips and empowers you. Now you might be saying, what do I mean by that? Because the majority of the videos, they're giving you one definition of affiliate marketing when there's a gazillion different definitions of affiliate marketing. See, my first question to you, if you and I were talking and you said, Rick, how do I be successful in affiliate marketing? Well, my first question back to you would be, what's your definition of successful? Now I'm going to force you to think. I'm forcing you to think about your definition. What is your definition of it? Because I'm sure your definition of being successful and mine are completely different. It's just like your favorite piece of pizza, which is probably different than mine. And to go even deeper on this topic, let me ask you this. What definition of affiliate marketing are you looking for? You might be saying, well, what are you talking about? Because I'm going to tell you this. Well, there are a million different definitions up for affiliate marketing, depending on the one that you're looking for. And the reason why I said this is because when I started affiliate marketing, and I'm following these affiliate marketers, right? I'm following this group of affiliate marketers, right? But their definition at the end of the day didn't serve me because they were happy jumping from program to program, right? Jumping from program. This program shuts down, they jump over here to another one. That one shuts down or something happens, they jump over here to another one. So, which tells me that particular business model of affiliate marketing, it didn't serve me. I wasn't down with that. I wasn't down with having to explain to people that I put my name and my reputation on the line for about a product that ended up being a scam, right? Now, granted, we can't necessarily control that type of stuff, but I'm sitting there going, you know what, this definition isn't working for me. I ain't liking this definition of affiliate marketing. So then I found a definition that served me. That's what I'm talking about. Your definitions are here to serve you. If you have a definition, I don't care what we're talking about. If your definition creates anxiety for you, creates uneasiness for you, get a new definition. Same principle here as far as affiliate marketing. Find the definition of affiliate marketing that serves you, that allows you to generate the type of income that you're talking about. For instance, most of the definitions of affiliate marketing that you see on YouTube, they're all talking about making a couple $100s a day. But I know for a fact that there are people who use the affiliate marketing business model who are creating millions of dollars a day. Here's the kicker. They don't call themselves affiliates. Yeah. Follow what I'm saying? Affiliate marketing is a business model. It's not an identity. That right there was gold. If you go back and listen to this and think about what I just showed you. But in any event, I've created a list of things to think about, a list of a tool that I created. Click the link below and it'll have you walking through the process and thinking through your process. Because, and the reason why it's so powerful is because now what I just gave you, if you take what I just gave you, now you can give it to someone else. Are you with me? I just positioned you to become a consultant as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. You follow what I'm saying? Are you with me? Because it was gold. Are you with me? If I can be of assistance, I hope this was helpful to you. Reach out to me. If I can be of assistance, talk to you soon. Click the link click the link below, and I'm sure it'll be a blessing to you and help you. And as you begin to walk through the process, you'll begin to understand that the sky's the limit, depending on the tools that you leverage and the business model that you choose. Talk to you soon. Peace.